Hi, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a collection of poor strip and FUE cases done elsewhere that we repaired and what's going on. Our next video is going to be a collection of poor FUE cases done elsewhere that we repaired with FUE. So everybody complains we don't put enough FUE repair cases up. That's coming up next. So we just went through COVID and we've been busier than ever, and I guess in one 30-day period, we had 12 of these repair cases that were underachieving strip or FUE cases from all over the country, but primarily from two places. Mm-hmm. And here they are. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I won't burden you with more.
But yeah, I remember you did a video earlier because we were having only repair cases.
Only repair. Last year we did 119 or 121 repair cases.
And this year was like more repairs than... Yeah.
And the common thread with all of those is not enough density.
Yeah.
And not as goofy a hairline as we've seen in the past. But things are just, it seems like a lot of things were planted that didn't have roots on them, whether it was the FUE or strip.
Or they could have had hair there, and they go and they do
a preventative hair transplant.
But yeah, that's what they did. Well, I had one that went to that clinic. He had it done. And then I think a year and a half after, he went for the second in the same area. And then he was going to go on the third time, but he decided to do a little research, and he came here.
And so let's talk about that. So here is this fellow, and he's roughly my age, shaved down, and he told us he'd pay 2,500 grafts. And here is the picture.
Twice. 2,500 grafts twice.
And you, the viewer, can see that that is not 2,500 grafts.
And not only that, with this patient, he said when he came in, he says, he talked about the clinic. He wasn't upset or anything like that. He was like, fine. He's like, I'm going to do he was going to check somebody else out just to check it. But he was okay with whatever they did before because he was planning to go there again. But at the end of the case,
when he looks like this,
he came in the next morning and he says, oh my God, I am so pissed. And I was worried. I was like, what happened? And he said, so the other 2 times that I had it done, it wasn't done right.
Well, we weren't there, so
no, but
that's what he said.
That's exactly. And I said, I guess they didn't put much hair. He's like, one sitting, you accomplished everything what I wanted, and I paid
twice.
And he has a white scar because they did it very, very low.
Yeah. And
then he's like, I have to keep my long hair now.
Yeah. So here's a couple more that we're trimmed down. You can see there's not much hair. Here's what we put in. And then we don't know that it's going to work, but we're pretty sure it's going to work. Yeah. But remember, it takes a little longer on these repair cases. To summarize, number 1, do your research. Number 2, if you're going to put hair in, make sure it's enough hair to accomplish something. If that means shaving or trimming down an area, we'll do it and plan your hairstyle to conceal it. And it will work almost all the time if you do it like that. And then keep it clean. That's our other big thing. If we can help you, whether your first time around or a repair case, please give us a call. Thanks.